Hello everyone, I want to invite you to Wayne's RV first annual RV and truck show. We're having March the 10th and 11th at Glenpool on 161st and Highway 75.
And we're teaming up with Mark Allen Chevrolet so we can bring you the highest quality of trucks and RVs.
Come see our tremendous selection of motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. And don't forget, we have lots of used RVs.
And we're also going to give away a brand new Aspen Trail travel trailer. So come on down and roll the dice so you can win.
Come on down, come on down. Come on down.
I don't even
Come on down, come on down.
I don't even Oh, and we're going to feed everybody hot dogs.